Alright, so 2-minute Tanya tidbit for today. So in the previous chapters, the Alter Rebbe had explained that the godly soul has 10 ways of expressing itself, which are its 3 intellect levels and as well as the 7 emotions. Now, in Perek Vav, the Alter Rebbe starts to explain that just like God gave 10 attributes to the godly soul, there's also these 10 ideas by the animal soul. Meaning, just like the godly soul has 3 levels of intellect and 7 emotions, which are used for godliness, so too the animal soul has 3 levels of intellect and 7 emotions, except that those are from impurity. Those who come from the idea of sitra achra, just like the nefesh itself comes from. And therefore, when it's expressing itself, instead of it being in a way of kedusha, it's instead of in a way of impurity. And that's the idea of all the things which a person does, meaning if a person will think or say or do something which comes from the animal soul, the other side of him, that's going to be coming from impurity. And therefore he's going to be enclothing himself in impurity at the time that he's doing that thought, speech, or action. And this is based on the different levels which it has. Just like a child will appreciate something smaller and he'll get enjoyment from something which is not so valuable, and so too someone he'll get very, very angry and mad at something small and not important. And so too he'll glorify himself and be very proud when he has something, even if it's not something very significant. So the attributes are based on what the person is. So too with the different souls. The animal soul will get excited about different things and impure things, as opposed to the godly soul which cares about godliness. And that's the idea of everything which a person does in this world. When it's coming from impurity, when he's doing it just because, anything which is done under the sun, not for the sake of godliness, that's coming from the other side. And just like we said that the emotions come from the 4 elements which the animal soul has, so too anything which a person does when he has feelings or thoughts, speech, or action which are going to be done in a way of impurity, they're coming from the animal soul using the different expressions which he has with these 10 attributes. See you next time.